If your OneDrive has been stuck on processing changes and it just won't budge, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through a series of solutions, starting from the simplest to some advanced troubleshooting, so by the end you'll know exactly how to get your files syncing smoothly again. Let's jump right in and untangle this syncing mess together. Alright, first things first, let's tackle the quick fixes. Often a small hiccup can cause OneDrive to get confused and stall, so try this. Right-click the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray and select Pause Syncing. Just wait a full minute. Tiny pause, but it gives OneDrive a chance to reset what it's doing and get its bearings. Once the time's up, click Resume Syncing. It might feel like a simple on-off switch, but just like giving your phone a little nudge when it freezes, this pause and resume can kick OneDrive back to life. If that doesn't do the trick, let's try an old classic, a good solid computer restart. I know it's almost too simple, but you'd be amazed how often a quick reboot clears up temporary sync glitches. Think of it like giving your computer a fresh start, closing out all those lingering tasks that could be holding OneDrive back. Still not moving? Check if you have any files open in OneDrive. If you're editing a Word document, an Excel sheet, or even a photo that's stored in your OneDrive folder, close those out. Sometimes OneDrive stalls when a file is in use. It's like trying to put a book back on the shelf while someone else is still reading it. Also, don't forget to check your internet connection. Run a quick speed test. There are loads of free ones online. Slow or shaky connections can make it look like OneDrive is stuck when it's actually just waiting on the network. If things are crawling along, you might want to pause larger uploads or try syncing again when your connection is stronger. If you've tried all those and OneDrive is still stuck, let's move up a notch to intermediate fixes. Sometimes the connection between your PC and OneDrive just needs to be refreshed. Right-click the OneDrive icon and head to Settings, then under Account, click Unlink this PC. Don't panic, your files aren't going anywhere. Once you've unlinked, restart your computer, then open OneDrive again and sign back in. This creates a brand new link between your device and your cloud storage, clearing out any behind-the-scenes issues. Next, let's play detective with your files. Extra-large files like big videos, Outlook data files, or oddly named files with special characters can trip up OneDrive. Move those big or problematic files out of your OneDrive folder, or use OneDrive settings to stop syncing any folders with tricky content for now. While you're at it, scan for 0-byte or temporary files. They often end in TMP or ~TMP. These can confuse OneDrive. You can delete these safely. Another useful check, the health of your hard drive. Open an elevated command prompt, meaning run as administrator and enter SFC to fix system errors, followed by chkdskf to check for disk problems. These scans take time, but they can solve deeper issues that might be blocking OneDrive's progress. Now, if you've worked through all those and things are still not syncing, let's go for the advanced options. Resetting OneDrive can do wonders. Think of it like pushing the big red reset button. Press Win+R and type C/program files /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive, exe reset, then enter. If that path doesn't work, just use OneDrive exe reset in command prompt. This restarts the app and compares all your files, local and in the cloud, so give it a few minutes, especially if you have lots of files. As a last resort, try uninstalling OneDrive from Apps and Features, restarting your computer once more, and then reinstalling the latest version from Microsoft's website. Sometimes a fresh install is just what the doctor ordered. And before you go, keep in mind, certain files, especially Outlook data files, can't be synced or removed from sync if you're using OneDrive's Files on Demand feature. Just move these files out of your OneDrive folder if you can. Also, sometimes your antivirus or firewall software can get a little overzealous. Try turning them off briefly to see if that's blocking your sync. Alright, I hope these steps help you solve the processing changes issue for good. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another OneDrive problem you want to see solved. And if you want more tech fixes and how-tos, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy syncing.